Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I'm unboxing something that really has zero intentions of unboxing. Ignore me just throwing that product over there. But when I was getting this S20 FE, I actually got $50 in credit, and this actually went towards it. Now, here's the thing. So it was actually $20 as a part of that $50 credit, so I still had credit left. But I'm interested in this now. I didn't know it had all these things like a power bank and everything like that, like I'm seeing here in the box. I'm not gonna spoil too much, but let's just get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're at the legendary unboxing table, of course. Where else would we be? But I don't know, man. I'm kind of hyped because this is more than I thought it was going to be. So I got this for 20 bucks with that whole $50 credit. So it usually costs 50 bucks, but now it's 20 bucks when I got the S20 FE. So it looks like we're going to go ahead and unbox this MOGA thing real quick. So on the front, you can see there's a bunch of info here, like this picture. It's a design for Samsung, design for Xbox, and as you can see here, it's the XP5-X Plus. Bluetooth controller for mobile and cloud gaming, and as you can see here, there's an integrated 3000 mAh power bank, so that's pretty nice. There's mappable buttons, and it's a detachable phone clip. So I'll go and compare this to the Xbox controller, like the regular Xbox One controller, and show you that. But yeah, anyways, there's all that, and on the left side, that's what we got. On the back, that's what we have here. You can go and pause this and read for yourself if you want. On the right, this is what we have here. Again, you can pause it if you want. At the bottom, we don't really got nothing here, and at the top, we don't really got nothing here. So we're gonna just go ahead and immediately bust into this. So we got the unboxing knife here. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, all right, that's the last piece of tape. Let's go and get this thing open. So this isn't made by Samsung. I want to go and point that out real quick because Samsung doesn't make packaging like this. Like they make way nicer packaging. But anyways, here we got the controller, as you can see here. So it says MOGA here at the top, and wow, it's way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, wait a second. That's what she said, right? Yeah, almost missed that there for a second. Anyways, we got the Xbox One S controller here, and we also have the MOGA controller here. So yeah, it's honestly, I mean, it looks like the same size, really. So I don't really know what I was talking about with the whole smaller thing here, but I guess it's just a different feel. It kind of feels more like the original Xbox controller, if I'm being honest. But looking side by side here again, I just pressed this Xbox controller and it started blinking there, so I guess it's in parent mode right now. But we have the same options here, as you can see here, with the Xbox One controller. So I'm wondering if I could hook this up to my Xbox or not. I'm gonna go and try it out later. But yeah, we got the regular YB, A, and X. We got the sticks and everything. We got the D-pad. We got all that stuff. So just the regulars here. Even the USB-C, like something that they shouldn't have copied, they copied. Like, come on now. But yeah, we got all that right there. You can also see here that we have some LED lights. So if I go ahead and pull this up and press on the battery button, you can see that we have 3 bars here out of 4. We have this lightning bolt here. Not really sure what that's all about yet. At the bottom here, we have this green button. Like I said, this is like a first impression. It's like a first look, so I don't really know anything about this yet. We also have our regular buttons back here. We have a USB-A port, so that's nice. And then we have a Bluetooth sync button. You can also see here we got the MOGA logo, we got Power A, and then we also have some additional buttons here in the back. So something that we don't get on this Xbox One controller. Also, which is nice here below this Xbox button, we have a switch here for USB and Bluetooth. So if you want to go and connect this directly via USB, that's how you do it. But besides that, that's what you get on the controller here, and then you also have this here so you can go and mount your phone onto it. Looking more in the box, as you can see here, there's still more stuff underneath. If I'm looking in this plastic bag right here, you can actually see that we have, let's see here, it's a USB-C cable, so that's nice. We also have your micro USB to USB-C, so I don't know why they just couldn't do USB-C in the first place for everything, but I don't know, that's just weird. And like when I got my Xbox battery, as you can see here, we have a pretty long cable here, so it's USB-A to micro USB, so there you go. Oh, and also we have a user manual, but you know what we do with that, we throw it to the side. Oh yeah. So let's talk about the feel on these controllers real quick. So when you pick this up, you can actually immediately feel this grip here in the back. So I'm really feeling that. That's really nice. And then when I'm feeling the Xbox controller, I don't know, man. I kind of like the feel of this better. Now the left trigger and the right trigger, they don't really feel as nice when I'm using the Xbox One controller, but I mean, I think overall, it's still a better feel for me. For some reason though, I don't know why, this just feels smaller than the Xbox One controller. I don't know, that's just me. Now let's just go and talk about this stand real quick. So as you can see here, we have a dual articulating spine. So I really like that because you can get a lot of different angles with this thing. So as you can see here, if I go ahead and loosen that up real quick. So as you can see here, this does articulate on both of them. So that's really nice because you can get way more angles with this. And also this does extend to a decent range. So I'm not sure about my Galaxy Fold if that's unfolded, but maybe. Or maybe not, because I'm looking at this right now and I definitely don't think my Galaxy Fold will fit that. But to clip this onto the controller, it's pretty easy. So all you gotta do is just bring this part right around here where the buttons are, going to line that up, and then bring this around to the front of the controller, and then you should hear a click like that. So it's already mounted now. And if you want to go and unmount it, all you gotta do is just push down on this, and there you go. So it's really easy. I'm really feeling that. So I would just go and grab my S20 FE in this case and make sure I'm not pressing the Bixby button, and there you go. So that's pretty much it. And it's a little bit of weight on there, but I mean, obviously that's how it's gonna be with the phone. Also, you can go ahead and screw these and unscrew these if you want to go and tighten up the spine or whatever you want to do. But now we're gonna go ahead and link up this controller. So let's go over here to my Bluetooth settings real quick, and we're gonna go over here. Okay, let's just go and hold on to this Bluetooth button right there. So now at this point, let's just hit OK, and let's go and turn this thing on real quick by just pressing the Xbox controller right there, as you can see, and that light starts blinking. So let's go and search for this, and it may not show immediately. So what we're gonna go and do is we're gonna hold on to this Bluetooth button here, and now let's go and see. So now it's fast blinking like it would on the Xbox controller. So let's go and scan that again, and there you go. So we got MOGA XP5-X Plus. So let's go and tap on that real quick, and then it says pairing, and there you go. So as you can see here, it's now connected. And look at that, the Galaxy Store immediately pops up with Xbox Game Pass. So if I want to go and click on install, let's go and do that real quick. So that's pretty nice. But you don't need to play an Xbox Game Pass game if you don't want to. You can also play games like Stadia, or you can play Fortnite, or whatever you want to. So we're not going to play Game Pass today real quick. We're going to go and play a quick game of Fortnite. Let's see how that works out. So we're downloading Fortnite right now. We're going to go and run this quick game. All right, y'all, I'm ready. Let's do this. All right, let's try to use this controller a little bit. Oh yeah, see, it don't feel bad. It definitely don't feel bad at all. This is decent. All right then, yeah, I could get used to this. So I think I'll use this in my gameplays now, but yeah, this is definitely a nice experience. Alright, so I just died by the storm, but my final verdict is that I would definitely play on the Xbox controller over this, but this doesn't feel bad. I don't know, it's just the fact that the controls on here just don't really feel as good as the Xbox One controller, but the actual feeling of the controller and the grip and everything, that's nice. Anyways, yeah, as you can see here, if I want to go put it down on the table, that's just not a thing. Until I take it off, but I'm gonna go and get out of here, y'all. Of course, I'll have a Fortnite gameplay test coming soon with this phone. Y'all already know how I do with these new phones that I get. I always do Fortnite gameplay tests to test the performance. Now for the final question, can you sync this up with the Xbox One? Let's see real quick. So I'm gonna hold on to the Bluetooth button here on the back, and as you'll see there, now it's fast blinking. Let me hit it on the Xbox real quick. And y'all, unfortunately, it looks like you can't do this with your Xbox One, because my Xbox One timed out when it was trying to search for devices, but it didn't look like it found anything, and that just turned off. So yep, you can't do anything about that. Anyways, let me bounce. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at eSendTech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter, so I'm most active. But Latrell, so far, can you give this thing the Jennings stamp of approval? Like, do you recommend it? So I know this controller has so many features on here. Like, it's a battery bank. You have so many extra buttons on here. Like, it's nice. As you can see here, I'll go and turn on the battery bank part of it, and it's not fast charging, but it's still charging, which is pretty nice. So thumbs up for that. So my final verdict is yes, I can give this a Jennings stamp of approval. Seeing that this is about the same price as a regular controller like this Xbox One controller, it's a pretty good deal. I can't front. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.